Stir-frying fresh and tender ingredients often requires rapid frying in a short period of time. Once you master the secrets of fire and oil, it becomes a fun game. Dry-fried meal pays attention to the pot gas, and this staple food is the most accepted by Cantonese people. It must be stir-fried quickly over high heat, and while stir-frying it must ensure the integrity of the powder. Braised North and South, the name of northern China with a history of more than 300 years. Slice the pickled dried bamboo shoots and dried white mushrooms, simmer in the stock and stir-fry over slow heat with heavy oil. As the oil slowly soaks in, the slices of oil membrane become plump and smooth, and the bamboo shoots regain their crisp texture. The secret of the 4 gates of flowers lies in the use of heat. This level of certainty is a sure thing. Phnom Penh cabbage uses the technique of using 4 doors of flowers. Put the cabbage in, cook it with vinegar and light the fire. The fire turns with the vegetables, and the vegetables follow the ladle. The fire stirs up the vegetables. The 4 doors of flowers are opened and closed, and the flames are majestic. In just a few minutes, the surroundings of the cabbage were dyed golden by the flames. The charm of the traditional iron pot has promoted the formation of the unique stir-frying technique of the Chinese. The exquisiteness of Chinese cuisine is unique in the world because of stir-frying.